Hi everyone, my name is Shalima and welcome back to my another session of learning English. And today you have this thing going on yourself that everybody speaks in good English and I am unable to. No matter where you go, your college, your school friends, your workplace, your family, wherever you visit, everybody feels to be speaking in good English, but you are unable to. And that creates hesitation in your mind. It fills you up with attention, stress, are inferiors to others because others are able to speak in good English but you are not. So first of all, I want to say one thing here that may make you not like me, but I'm anyway gonna say it. There's this number one problem of English learners everywhere in the world, and that is that they do not get environment to speak in English. They do not have environment that is English friendly, or that is English learning friendly, so that if your situation is that you are surrounded with people who speaks with you in English, then this number one problem of English learners is not something that is yours. Okay, so that is your case. You are surrounded with people who are speaking in English and you are already have an environment that is friendly to English learning, right? So first of all, you cannot complain that you do not have environment, and because of which you are unable to learn. You have the environment, and that environment is kind of becoming a problem for you right now. I know that this is easier said than done, because it there are a lot of other emotions that are attached to this scenario, where you are the only one who's hesitate. You are the only one who feels inferior. You are the only one who's unable to speak in good English, and you do not know what to do about this. I just want to say one thing here, and I think it is, going to make a lot of sense to you if you do really believe me. Next 1 minute, okay? And just trust me for that. What I'm going to say, okay? That the only thing that you need is courage. You just need to speak up. You just need to speak and start talking in English, and the rest is going to be taken care of, by the environment itself. Environment has a habit, like all of us, we have our habits, right? Similarly, environment has its habits of making you become a part of that environment. And since your environment supports English speaking and English learning, it is going make sure that you become a part of that environment. The only thing that you have to do is show courage, speak more in English, and the rest is gonna be take care of by the environment. You will not realize one day or another someday you are gonna to be fluent. You are going to be fluent in English because environment will be working in coherence with you. Environment is going to be solving and taking care of this problem of yours, and you have to see this. Okay, so this is an opportunity and not as an complaint. You cannot complain about why everybody is so good in English and I'm not. Why do I have to sit and walk and be among people who are fluent in English when I'm not? Because this is not really a complaint, this is really an opportunity. I want you to start looking at it from the angle of it appearing as an opportunity, to you, because this is going to help you the most no amount of learning is going to help you as much as speaking in English is going to help you. Okay, now another thing that is needed to be understand here is that there is this concept by the name of spotlight effect. And what spotlight effect is that we humans tend to feel and think that there is always a spotlight on our head, that we are the most important person. And I mean, I am the most important person in this room, and I am the most important person in this meeting. Everybody is looking at me, everybody is thinking about me, and that's not really true. That can never be true. No matter what, how big a celebrity you are, nobody is going to be thinking about you all the time. Nobody is going to be concerned about you, or bother with you, because people are concerned about themselves. All of us individually are concerned about ourselves. The way spotlight is falling on you in your head, similarly a spotlight is falling on my head too, right? So similarly a spotlight is falling on the other person who is sitting next to you, or whomever you are concerned about, or thinking that that person is thinking about, you are there. There is a spotlight on everybody in their head. So if I will wear something awkward and go to the party, so I will be like, okay, everybody is looking at me, everybody is thinking about me. But it cannot be true, guys, because people are just thinking about themselves most. In fact, I feel that fortune favors the brave. If you are brave, if you are courageous enough to stand for yourself, to run after your dreams, to chase your dreams, the fortune is going to be to favor you. Your future is going to favor you. So let's accept English may not be a very important thing, but that is kind of something that is going to help you push in your career forward. Yes, right? So it's going to push you forward, it's going to help you in your career, it's going to help you with your dreams, it's going to help you with a lot of things that you aspire for, because this is a language that is universally spoken, everybody understand. I mean, by everybody, I mean, everybody whom you are going to be interacting with in future understands this language. Everybody may not understand your regional language, right? But people do have, there's this common thing, the common platform that English sets for you, and you want to be there when others are there, right? You do not want to be, lagging behind, and that is why you need to be fluent, and you need to understand this language. See, there is one thing that I do want to make clear here before I proceed, and that is that I do understand that these feelings are not easy to face. They fill you with a lot of discomfort, and it's really need a lot of you to face these feelings. But that is not going to stop me from saying that at the same time you really need to face these feelings, right? So all you can do is you can improve percentage by percentage. All the improvement cannot happen in one day. All the improvement cannot happen in just 1 month. It's going to require a lot of practice over the months, over the years. But if you keep reading, if you keep trading this path, you will, see that you are improving little by little, and you will see those changes happening in you, and you will see your confidence building in the language, and you will see that the words automatically start coming to you, and you will see that you do not have to put in as much efforts as you needed into in the beginning, right, of your journey. So gradually the things are gonna get easier for you. That's has how it has happened for me, and I feel that now speaking in English is not really a problem for me. But at one time, it was a big problem. I mean, I have faced those feelings. So there was dilemmas whether I should speak in English or I should just keep quiet. There have been such dilemmas, I have faced that. So I feel do not happen to me anymore, and they are no more existence for me, because I took up all those challenges. I wanted to be good at it. I never knew that it's gonna be, so rewarding for me, the way it proved rewarding, because now a lot of people look up to me for learning English, and I had never thought that it's gonna be that, rewarding. But yes, it is always rewarding, right, to someone extent. No matter what do you for your career, no matter what profession you are in, it's always going to be, rewarding. And not just rewarding for people to think about in the nice manner, or think of you or as somebody who is highly qualified or educated, but also because you will feel confidence in yourself, and you will have it easier, you will find it easier to stand up and, present yourself well. So if you are getting my point, you have to start small. Just remember this, you have to start with small, okay, small sentences, small words, small easy words, and just start by explaining the most basic thoughts and feelings, okay? Just start by saying the most basic sentences in something like, hi, I can come, I want to do this, can I help you, can I go that side, can you scoot over, like, how are you? Start by these simple English sentences, and then you can improve by building upon these. Okay, so as you learn more on the part, start using more of the context, start using more of the better words you are learning, start using more of English to explain your feelings. Okay, so build up it the way a house it is built, the way you are building is just built. You lay the foundation and then you build upon it. That is what you can do for anything you are learning in your life. So you can just lay the foundation by using the most basic words, phrases, sentences, the most easy ones, right? And then you can gradually start building upon it by learning more and more and using more and more in your regular day to day life. Okay, so that's how it's happened for everything, and that's how it happens for everyone. It has happened to the same way for me, and it is going to happen the same way for you guys. And one last thing that you have to remember is that environment will fix you. You are not an isolate entity. You do not exist in isolation. You exist in the environment as a part of the environment. Okay, the and environment has a tendency to make you like itself, and it's going to make sure that you become a part of it, even if you are not fitting to in it too, right? Well, right now there will be a day when you will be actually fit in every happen. It will happen for you, because I do not know how else can it happen. That is how it happens for all of us. No matter where we go, no matter where we start to live, there are times when we find difficult to fit in that. Gradually things just start working in our favor, and we generally fit in. We always fit, no matter new job, new relationship, no new marriage, no matter what. You tend to develop your comfort, and you tend to develop your ease with things, and that's how it happened for everybody. And you know that what, let's just do. How long are you going to live with this problem? How long are you going to think about it and not do anything about it? Keep complaining about it in your head, if not to others. I mean, why not you just get it over with? Let's just get it done with. Let's just finish it off for ourselves for once. We live peacefully, probably find new problems for ourselves, because we always do. That's it for today's video, guys. So I think you like the video, and if you like the video, please give thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. If you are new on my channel, so please subscribe it. Thanks for watching. Bye bye, take care.